Why do bubbles float? A bubble drifts into the air, and instead of falling straight down, it floats away. Why? A bubble is a tiny pocket of air trapped inside a very thin layer of soapy water. Soap bubbles are made of a gas pocket surrounded by a thin liquid film. When you blow a bubble, the air inside it comes from your breath, and that air is usually warm. Warm air is lighter than colder air because it is less dense. That means it can rise more easily. So when a bubble first leaves the wand, the warm air inside can help it float in the cooler air around it. Kids' bubble science resources also note that bubbles can float higher on colder days because the warm air from your breath is lighter than the cold air outside. But that is not the only reason. Bubbles are also extremely light. They are made of mostly air, with only a very thin skin of soapy water around them. Because a bubble is so light, even small air movements can carry it through the air. That means the tiniest breeze can push a bubble up, down, or sideways. So bubbles do not float like birds or airplanes. They float because they are very light, and because the air inside them can be warmer than the air outside. But bubbles do not float forever. After a while, the air inside cools down, the bubble becomes less buoyant, and the thin watery skin starts to dry out and weaken. As water evaporates from the film, bubbles become easier to pop. That is why bubbles eventually drift down or pop. So when someone asks, "Why do bubbles float?" you can say, "Bubbles float because they are very light, and the warm air inside them can rise in the cooler air around them." That is what makes bubbles feel so magical. They are really just air, soap, water, and a little bit of science. Pretty cool, right? See you next time. It's always why time.